Hi everyone, I'm Carl. I'm actually not the man that you see in the video. The man in the video is Daniel, and he was the person in our group that had the initial inspiration for this idea, and as you can see, we've been expanding on it ever since. Now, in this video, you could see he's going through some of the basic demonstrations, but they're actually turning a lot more complex the more code that we do, and we're finding we could do a lot more with them, as you'll see later. Later on in the video, you're going to see Rusty. He's going to walk you through the latest prototype that we have built. Following Rusty, you'll see Luis actually walk you through some of the initial steps towards modeling this on AutoCAD.
So hello everyone, this is Rusty Catteray again, and this is the current status of our development test bench. As you can see, it's progressed some since the last video, and I'm going to walk you through what we have here and what it does. So if you remember in the last video, the last update, we just had a single Arduino that was making the strips flash red. So it was just to show that we could indeed control some LED strips. Here we've actually built out the remainder of the components that are going to make up our project and actually have them working in the manner that's similar to how they'll actually be used. It's not built out all the way, the program's not all the way, but all the fundamentals are here. So we have an Arduino here, which is acting as a master. We only have one input switch to it now. Of course, in the full-blown one, we'll have many more options. We have two slave Arduinos, one here and one there. We've changed them to nanos so that the packaging is much easier, so that when Luis goes to package a microcontroller and an LED strip, they're the same, similar physical sizes. If you remember, our project has two types of strips. It has portable strips that are controlled wirelessly, and it has permanently installed strips which are controlled with a data link, and that's what we have here. This is the demonstrator for a portable strip. You can see it has a wireless receiver, and there's a wireless transmitter attached to the master. The Nano, the only connections to the outside world you can see are power and the one data line that drives the LED data. Right now this is telling this middle strip here to be red. This guy is the mock-up for the permanently installed strip. It's connected to the master via these two wires. It's a digital data connection. And it too has power and a data wire back, and it's up telling the top strip to be blue right now. And this is the same just power and data breakout board from before, same 5-volt power supply as before. And this is really the trick. When I press the green button, the master is going to tell both of these two things to turn their respective LED strips green. The slaves know how to control the LED strips. The master just says, hey, you slaves, turn green. So here we go. And with that, we have developed all the underlying technology for our project. Thanks so much. See you next semester. Bye now.
Hi everyone, this is Luis. Semester's almost over. Getting this video out of the way, we're working on how this semester was and looking forward to next semester, and in charge of prototyping packaging for this Arduino board that we're going to use. So what it looks like. I found this model online to help save time, but we're going to make a case for packaging, logistics purposes, and go from there. Still haven't figured out on the LED strips if we're going to use it rigid or flexible, but that will be a challenge. Looking forward to it. Thank you.